So usually, okay, as coming to our service now, okay, service now, we will see different kind of scripts. Okay, so depends on the requirements, depends on the user actions. Okay, so categorized into two types. So categorized into the two types in our service now. For example, I'll go to our instance. Okay, I'll open one of the form. It can be any form. Okay, for example, I'll be open incident form. Did I start recording? Yeah,
Yes.
fine.
Yes, sir.
So this is form, correct? I'm just setting up the values. I'm just entering the values. This is form. Okay. So when you are just entering the values, okay. So is that saving or updating or reading or deleting from the database? So usually our ServiceNow hierarchy is form, and then in the backend you will see list means database, correct? So when it will be hitting to the database, usually our user actions when it will be hitting to the database. So database means there are some data in our database. For example, table. This is incident table. Inside the table, we are having database. Okay, means where it can stores the data related to the incident. So this is form. This is database means incident table. So when user actions are touching the database,
Then
so
user will
means
be
am I creating anything? Am I reading anything? Am I updating anything? Am I deleting anything in the database? You tell me. I just did open the form. I'm just setting up the values. Is that touching the database, my user actions?
no.
So just saving it. Okay. Now,
Yes, these values are stored in database.
is that stored in the database?
Yes.
Means is that interacted with the database?
Yes.
Now it is interacted, correct? It is
Yes.
interacted and it is saved one of the record in the database. Now I'm just changing it. Is that touching the database?
No.
No, right? So I will click on update. Is that touch the database? Do you
Yes.
think?
Yes.
Or if I save it again after changing the values, is that touching?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, if I delete it, what
Yes.
operation it will be? Delete
Delete operation.
operation.
Yes.
Correct? So usually, okay, in our service now, the categorized into the two parts, ServiceNow scripting. Okay, na? ServiceNow scripting itself categorized into the two parts, means two types, depends on the user actions. So one of the part is, okay, one of the part is one of the part is client level, one of the part is server level. So database is the server. Is that correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So database is the server usually. So when you are touching the server, then you will call it as server level scripting. Means whenever you are trying to be perform, means whenever user action is create, okay, read, update, delete. Whenever this kind of actions can be performed by the user, means it can be anyone on the form. Then that can be calling and pointing to server level scripting, server side scripting, server level and server side. It's your wish, however you call it. Okay. Then you will be use this kind of scripts. So very client level, opposite of it is the client level, correct? Is that correct or not?
Yes,
So
sir.
whenever you are touching CRUD operation, this is server level scripting. Opposite of is client level. Opposite is what? Just changing the values on the form. Understanding? Just
Yes,
changing the
sir.
values or give some customizations on the form. Okay. Until unless I'm not touching CRUD operations. CRUD operations. Simple way you will be calling as CRUD operations. Until unless you are not touching them, that you will be calling as client side scripting or client level scripting. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
So can I say just form, okay, form or list level actions. So it is form. For example, in the list also, you will be used client level actions. Client level means you will not save it. You will not touch CRUD operations there also. You will just opening it. Means just opening will not touch the database. Whenever you are querying, that will touch the database. Okay. For example, when the opposite of it, you do remember. That's it. Okay. Whenever you're not touching it, that is client level actions, means client level scripting. That's it. As much as simple. Okay. I will tell you a few examples. Okay. For example, whenever form is loading, okay, any form, for example, this is our application incident. Whenever form is loading, I wanted to be show here very nice message. The message is, hi, your username. Hi, welcome to the incident application. Hi, your name and welcome to the incident application. So whenever form is loading. So what kind of script shall I consider it as in this requirement? I'm just writing it requirement one. So whenever form is showing to the user, give some wish. Okay, means give some wish message. Message is hi and then username. It can be any name. For example, if I open it na, in the entire instance, it should give me my name. If you open the form, it should give you your name. In our instance only. In our instance, if users, 100 users are there, 100 users, whenever incident form is opening, then it should have to give some message. Hi, username, and then welcome to incident tracking system, something. This message I wanted to be give it. So in this requirement, is that touching the database or directly if I ask you, so what type of scripting you are going to be utilized?
Client level.
All of you confirm.
Client.
Hmm?
Client.
Others, client only.
Yes, sir.
Next requirement two. Okay. So requirement two is so whenever, okay, whenever impact is selected to high, urgency is selected to high, priority will become critical. So whenever user is changing, okay, whenever user is changing impact to high and okay, for example, let's take up whenever user is changing, okay, impact to high, then give some message. Give some message here.
Client side only.
This time I am not loading level. Okay. After loading, after displaying the form to the user, okay, user maybe will change the impact to the one. That time I need to give some message. The message is you have selected, okay, you have selected impact is high. You have selected impact is high. This time,
Client side, sir.
okay,
Client side
next,
only.
next. Whenever network is changed, then give some message that category is changing, change it to this value, whichever the value it is changing, na? This it should have to show here. For example, so high, okay, whenever is changing. So category change it to network. That message I wanted to give it here. What kind of script you will be used?
Client side script.
Okay.